Snacking has become almost like a fourth meal for many of us. While there is nothing inherently wrong with snacking, you want to be sure to choose nourishing foods that support your body and health. Snacking can be daily, but be careful not to make it an all-day event. Always practice moderation when eating. This helps prevent overindulging in unhealthy foods that only add extra calories, sodium, or fat that can hurt your health and waistline. The best of both worlds comes together when you eat 3 meals a day, and if you need a pick-me-up snack, to do it right. So, if you're trying to eat healthier and need ideas for guilt-free snacks that also taste good, here is a listing of some of the best snacks to consider. 1. Fruit salad. Fruit is always a good snack, making you feel guilt-free. All fruits contain natural sugars, making them naturally sweet, in addition to various vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. The ideal fruit salad is one with a combination of at least 3 different fruits. Then, add a touch of lemon or lime juice, coconut flakes, sliced almonds, or mint leaves, and you've created a fruit snack masterpiece. 2. Dark chocolate. Isn't it nice to know that chocolate can be guilt-free, as long as it's at least 72% cacao content? Studies show that dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants called flavonoids, important for heart health by lowering blood pressure and controlling chronic inflammation. Dark chocolate may also help lower insulin resistance, reducing your risk of diabetes. It's best to stick with minimally processed dark chocolate with minimal sugar and fats added. Also, be mindful that just one small square piece is all you need daily to get the health benefits. 3. Popcorn. When made right, popcorn is one of the best all-time favorite snacks. The trick is to avoid most microwavable popcorn, too high in sodium and fat, and instead, buy popcorn kernels and pop it yourself. You're in control of how much oil you use, or if you use any at all or not. 4. Yogurt parfait. A layered yogurt parfait is your go-to for a decadent snack that is sure to squelch your hunger. It's best to keep it simple to avoid extra calories. 5. Nuts. Nuts are always a great snack idea. Portable and packed with protein, minerals, fiber, and healthy fat, nuts are perfect for providing a midday energy boost. Since the calories in nuts can add up quickly, keep your portion size to a handful each day. 6. Vegetables and dip/hummus. If you like a crunchy snack but don't want to rely on chips or crackers, low-calorie, vitamin and antioxidant-rich fresh veggies with dip or hummus make a great snack. Either use a homemade dip from Greek yogurt, herbs, spices, and lemon juice, or dip in ready-made hummus. Whichever you choose, this snack has guilt-free written all over it. 7. Peanut butter with whole wheat toast. Remember your love of peanut butter as a kid? You can still enjoy this protein-packed spread on fiber-rich whole wheat toast as a chewy, delicious snack, filling you up for hours until your next meal. Whole grains are a complete package of many health benefits, as opposed to refined grains stripped of essential nutrients during processing. Whole grains also provide fiber that breaks down slowly, helping maintain steady blood sugar levels.